Alright, there's the museum building. You can't see where the antenna is, but the other location that we have is going to be the M. You can see it right there. That's where we'll be taking the measurements. So this is the Montana Tech campus, and we're just looking at the museum building there. Okay? So it's not very far. I would say a mile or two away. I'm up at the M, or at least the little road that leads to the M, and you can look down on Butte. Here's my car. All the equipment that I gotta haul up to the top of there. So it's not very far, but it'll be a little bit. Okay. Okay, this is take 2 because silly stuff happened. I have a better part for mounting the antenna, and all my wires work. I had a dead wire and I didn't know it was a dead wire, but it's a beautiful day and I'm gonna go up to the M and get some data. Okay. Oh, and I have these little straps on my backpack so I can put this on the back. I have a strap there, so that works a lot better. I think the one thing I learned is that I'm gonna have to assemble and disassemble the antenna each time, which is a little bit, I don't know. Don't want to bend it or anything like that, and it just makes the setup longer, which is okay. But there we go. Okay, so I just finished collecting the data, and I'm gonna show you kind of what the data looks like. So right now I just have the GUI going, and you can see we still have some sort of emissions coming up. I don't know why. For some reason it's slower. The data acquisition is slower for both the GUI, I think, and for the API, but I haven't processed it, so we'll go back and look at the videos later. But I'll just show you. I'm not at, it's like a big pole on the top of the M, and I'm sitting behind it for shade. And we got the Ethernet cord is going up there. And you can see the antenna, so we're not really hidden from it. But again, this is with my phone on, so during testing I turned my phone off. So we'll see. Alright, there is the Montana Tech campus. That's the Continental Divide, we call it the East Ridge. And then go around here. There's a couple houses, but it's pretty much just open space west of us for a bit. Okay, I'm gonna walk up to where the equipment is. There I go. You can see the Ethernet cord. It looks pretty cool. Not something you see every day. Okay, so this is the whip antenna and the signal generator. So when I do my testing, I do like a little calibration to make sure everything is ship shape. Here's the antenna. It's pretty high. I'm really bad, but it looks like it's twice the height, so I would say at least 3 meters, if not more. Got my These are the extra wires. But you can see there's only 7% left on that. So it looks like the BNC is the limiting factor, I think. And then we have the different LNA. They give a warning when the battery light's low, but if I see that on, I know it's too late because the LNA really just doesn't add as much gain as soon as that battery's on. The data's lousy. But, so, I don't know what, well, sorry, I didn't finish talking, so I'm going to finish talking. So it'll come from the Omni antenna, which is a diamond antenna D3000N. Have the FM filter with the modified, it's modified to include a bleeding resistor to ground. That's our high pass filter.